Welcome guys to my new YouTube channel called Life Scouts with me, Wakili Sanitta. And yes guys, yeah, welcome very much. So this show is all about you, it's all about me, it's all about us as society. We want to talk about issues affecting all of us, me individually, societal issues. Well, of course I have a bias given that I'm a lawyer, yeah, and an advocate for that matter, the High Court. Yeah, I have a bias for legal matters. So this show is all about giving you guys information, giving you guys knowledge, empowering you guys with the information and knowledge regarding legal issues affecting all of us. For instance, how does the law deal with children in conflict with the law? How do you go about that? So it's only through this channel that we'll be able to empower you and give you that information. For instance, when your kid goes against the law, and it's very important for you as a parent, as a guardian, to be able to know. There's always that anxiety on how to how to deal, rather how the law deals with such a kid. So this show is all about such issues. So I want to empower you guys so that you're able to know what happens in such instances. What is this issue about diversion, for instance? And in what instances does that happen? What do we deal? What is this issue regarding plea bargaining, criminal law, for that matter? So this show is all about criminal, all about civil, and the issues can be so wide and varied. So we are not constraining ourselves to any particular issue. So my show is basically an avenue to enable people to get information. And yes guys, while at it, I'm encouraging you, please to like, to share, to subscribe, very importantly, so that you can continue empowering you guys. And my show, that is Life Skills with me, Wakili Sanitta, with information. And as you know, access to information right now is a right guaranteed in the Constitution, and this is what this show is all about. So this show is an avenue to enable you guys, or rather all of us, to learn from life experiences of other people. For instance, in particular, there's an experience through which I went through some ordeal, that is about maybe three and a half years ago, which I feel I can actually be able to shed some light on particular issues. And this is an issue that really affects society, for instance. And this issue, for instance, that is medical malpractice. And I feel in my later episodes, we're able to talk about that particular issue. We're able to learn a few things from the same. And this issue talk about legal issues especially, and medical issues as well. So I'm asking you guys, please, to like, to subscribe, to share, to comment, and just please spread out the word, because it's very important to empower you people, society. Let's talk about trust. When you want to open up trust for your kids, how do you take care of the interests of your kids? If you're alive, when you're still living, and even upon your death, how do you take care of them? Let's talk about wills. Do you guys have wills? How do you take about the lives of family members upon your death, right after you've gone? So you can be able to do all this in a structured manner, or rather in a format, through a will. So this show will enable you guys to be able to go through that process and that procedure, so that you can be able to safeguard the interest of your children, for instance, your spouse, your extended family, and any other person that you feel is very important in your life. Let's talk about divorce, the procedure, and how the same is done in the courts of law, and grounds. It's very important. Do you know that right now you can actually just about divorce, or rather maybe right now the law regime right now is not the same as it was initially. Very stringent. Right now you can divorce when you guys are no longer seeing what you call is no longer that meeting of mind. So let's talk about division of property. Yeah, let's talk about division of property upon a separation and subsequently divorce. How do people, or rather how does the law take care of that, and how can you guys deal the same? Let's talk about parental responsibility. Let's talk about child maintenance. So how does the law enable you to go through that process? And let's also talk about ADR, that is the alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, so that you don't need to rush to court every time you have a dispute. You also have another avenue through which you can actually be able to solve your issues, and that is through the alternative dispute resolution mechanism, which is basically encouraged in the Constitution. Yep. So these are some of the ways through which the Constitution encourages all of us to be able to solve disputes, because that is a spirit, like, basically. As long as you guys just come to an agreement and you guys just forgive each other, for instance, we will find a way of solving that issue, then the entire purpose of the court would be reached. So if you can actually just resolve an issue without going to court, then you'll have done actually what the court is supposed to do, so that is still good. So guys, let me have your comments, let me have your views. Yes, please, let me have any questions regarding any issues, for instance, that you feel that this show can actually expound on, discuss, or rather maybe any particular issue that you feel that maybe you have questions. And yes, please, let me also encourage you very, very importantly, to, even after viewing this clip, viewing this show, always go back to a lawyer if you have any, or if you don't, just please, I'm encouraging you, please to get to a lawyer, and let the lawyer or the advocate expound or discuss with you, so because they'll have an opportunity for them to look at the facts, and also weigh the same as against the law, and give you an appropriate direction or maybe instructions. Yep. So please, guys, let me welcome you once again. Yes, please. So please send in those views, send in the questions if you have any. Let me have your comments. Let me have any expression regarding this show. I would really love to have that comment, or maybe your feedback. Yes, please, very importantly. But most importantly, also in this show, I like to talk about a very, very, very important office that is more often than not underrated, or maybe an office that many people do not bother to find about, but it's an office that is very, very important. It's called the Office of the Attorney General. And did you know that this office is so important and also offers legal services, for instance? So I'm encouraging you guys, or rather through this show, you want to know what this office does, the various departments under this office, and what is the usefulness of this office to your life, and why you need to know of this office. So yes, please, guys, so please tune in. And the subsequent episodes, I'll be able to teach you guys, or I'll give you guys information regarding this office, which is very useful to you as a person. For instance, did you know that you can basically be able to undertake a marriage ceremony for less than Kenyan shillings? Did you take a guess? Yes, 5,000. You don't need to call out so many guys for a rambe, for a gathering, and everything. Call us, invite us to the general. As I was telling you, you can actually be able to take a marriage ceremony for less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings. So it's only in this show that you'll be able to know what are the requirements, what is the procedure, and what exactly needs to be done before the same can be done. Yes, please. You do know that there is also the Department of the Administrator General that basically is able to draw up wills for you and store the same, or rather have the same custody. Did you know also that the same department is also able to undertake succession process? Yep. And all these is done at a very affordable rates, given that it's basically a public office. Yes guys, so I'm encouraging you guys, please to find the time to Google, to look up online, to visit the office of the Attorney General, that is in Sharia House, for so that you can be able to get this information and so much more. And not only that, you also know that that same office as a number of what you call field offices in Mombasa, in Embu, in Nyeri, in Eldoret, in Kitale, in Kisumu, in Kakamega. I mean, in Garissa as well. Yes, please, guys, Malindi as well. So yes, guys, please, you can always reach out to any state council, in all of these offices, in case you have any questions, in case you have any queries, because I feel it's an office that you need to know about as a mwananchi, rather as a Kenyan citizen. Yeah. So guys, I'm encouraging you, please from today, to get that information out there. Let everybody know that there exists an office of the Attorney General, yani inaitwa afisi ya mkuu wa sheria, ambayo inasaidia wananchi katika maswala mbalimbali ya kisheria. Yeah, so please do not just be passing by that office and think that it's an office for the, top government officials, or maybe just government issues. No, yeah, it also serves mwananchi. And I'm encouraging you today through the show, please, to take yourself there, to Google or to look up Office of Attorney General. And if you have any queries, any questions, if you have any comments, let us know. Let me know through this channel, and yes, we're able to get back to you. Yes. And while at it, guys, also, given that you're talking about issues affecting us as a society, let us know, yes, how you guys are doing it right now. How you guys cutting down on costs. I mean, you all know times are really difficult right now. So I feel we could actually do a lot to help out each other in learning how you guys are cutting down on those costs. For instance, in my case, for instance, I've had to cut down on shopping, costs and everything. How are you doing it in your workplace? How are you doing it in your family? How are you doing it, for instance, how are you building in an affordable manner, for instance? How are you cutting down on those costs? Yes, please let us send out this information so that we're able to share out to other people. Because as you all know, as I've said, information is power, and power is everything. Yes, guys, please. So please share, like, comment, and yes, please subscribe, and let me have your comments. Let me have any questions, and in particular, any issue that you feel that it's important for this show to shed light on. That is most welcome. And yes, guys, please, while at it, continue please sending me those comments and feedback, and I would really appreciate it. So guys, tune in and watch out for my next video. Let's see what it is all about, but it's something that you do not want to miss out, because it's very important to you as a person. So guys, thank you very much, and yes, please, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Life Comes with me, Wakili Sanitta.